Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Binance Referral ID. A Referral ID is a special code that connects new users to an existing Binance member. When someone signs up using your ID, they often receive a discount on their trading fees. Meanwhile, you, as the referrer, earn a commission from their trades. It's a fantastic way for everyone to benefit. To find your own referral ID, first, log into your Binance account. You can do this either through the website or the mobile application. Once logged in, look for the referral section, which is typically located under your profile or user dashboard. There, you will see your unique referral ID and a corresponding link, ready for you to use. Once you have located your referral ID and link, the next step is to share it. Simply copy the unique link or the ID itself from your referral page. You can then share this with anyone you know who might be interested in joining Binance, whether it's friends, family, or your online community. It is crucial that new users register directly through your link for the referral to be properly attributed. Now let's talk about the benefits. New users who sign up with a referral ID often receive a discount on their trading fees, commonly around 10%. For the referrer, you earn a commission from your friend's trades, which can range from 20 to 40%, depending on your settings and account level. These commissions are typically paid in real time, providing a continuous benefit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.